Hey guys! Today we're making this colorful Nike Jordan shoe cake. This is the first sneaker cake I've ever made and I think it turned out well. Let's dive right in. We start by frosting some vanilla cake. We'll need to stack about 5 layers to get the correct height. I printed a picture of the shoe and I'm using that as a template. Carve the cake like this so it roughly matches the printout. I also went through and rounded out the edges with a serrated knife. Then frost the whole cake with buttercream. Roll a thin layer of teal fondant for the inner section of the shoe. Then add black to the base layer like this. The soft cushion part is made by rolling black fondant and attaching it to the upper section. Cut off any excess. Use the printout as a guide and cut out each section of fondant and add to the shoe one layer at a time. I chose this design because it's fun and colorful. Here, I'm placing strips of black fondant on the cake, almost like a wave, and trimming the end. Attach the red part. Add the purple backing. And of course, add the orange swoosh. The toe is covered in a layer of black fondant. It's always best to have a clean and sharp X-Acto knife on hand. I'm trimming and shaping the rubber toe. Adding the teal strap. And finally, a layer of white for the rubber sole. With my stitching tool, I rolled on the markings for the thread lines. Then paint on the white thread with food coloring. Add the holes like this with a sharp sculpting tool. And finally, add laces with black strips of fondant, making sure to lay them in a crisscross pattern. And here's the final product, a simple, colorful Nike Jordan cake. Thanks for watching. Bye!